Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Happy New Year. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the AI features of this robot. This is the EBO Air 2 Plus. Now, this one has some AI features. It actually has 3 different models it can pull from, Gemini and also ChatGPT. You have 2 different ways of enabling the chat function with this robot. You can either use your smartphone app or there's a dedicated button. Let me show you guys here. There's a dedicated button right here that you can use to activate it. So let's start with that. Let me show you guys how this works, how most people will probably use this robot. You're just going to press the button and then you'll see the eyes switch over and then your AI assistant will pop up.
As an AI assistant, I can help with a variety of tasks such as answering questions, providing explanations, generating ideas, assisting with writing, translating languages, helping with learning and research, and much more. Please let me know what specific assistance you need.
How can you assist me with writing a paper?
I can assist you with writing a paper in several ways, including 1. Helping you brainstorm and outline your ideas. 2. Assisting in researching and gathering relevant information. 3. Providing guidance on structuring your paper logically. 4. Offering suggestions to improve clarity, coherence, and flow. 5. Helping with drafting sections or the entire text. 6. Reviewing and editing your work for grammar, punctuation, and style. 7. Formatting your paper according to specific guidelines, e.g., APA, MLA. 8. Generating citations and bibliographies. Feel free to share details about your paper, such as the topic, requirements, and any specific areas where you need support.
Okay, so as an AI assistant for maybe a child, that's good, as well as a young adult who's going to college. How can you assist me in the kitchen? How can you assist me with creating recipes?
I can assist you in the kitchen by providing recipe ideas based on the ingredients you have, suggesting meal plans, and offering cooking tips and techniques. If you want to create recipes, I can help you by combining ingredients to develop new dishes, advising on flavor combinations and substitutions, guiding you through step-by-step cooking instructions, modifying recipes to accommodate dietary preferences or restrictions, estimating cooking times and portion sizes. Just let me know what ingredients or type of cuisine you're interested in, and I can help you come up with recipes or cooking plans.
When it comes to entertaining kids, how good are you at storytelling?
I'm quite good at storytelling and can create engaging stories tailored to children's interests and age levels. I can craft original tales, fairy tales, adventures, or educational stories that capture kids' attention. Additionally, I can adapt stories to include specific themes, characters, or lessons you want to emphasize during entertainment. If you'd like, I can create a story for you right now. Just tell me the age of the children and any preferences you have.
How will you work as a companion robot for a senior? What benefits would a senior gain from having you as a companion robot?
As a companion for a senior, I can provide several benefits, including 1. Conversation and companionship to reduce feelings of loneliness. 2. Reminders for medication, appointments, and daily tasks. 3. Assistance with information, such as answering questions or providing news updates. 4. Help with managing schedules and setting alarms. 5. Guidance on health, nutrition, and exercise tips. 6. Entertainment through stories, trivia, or games. 7. Support in learning new technologies or using devices. 8. Encouragement and motivation to stay active and engaged. I can serve as a virtual companion to offer cognitive and emotional support.
Everything sounds great. All right, so would you like to say goodbye to everyone who is watching on YouTube and wish them a happy new year?
Certainly. I want to thank everyone watching on YouTube and wish you all a happy and healthy new year. May the coming year bring joy, success, and wonderful moments to you and your loved ones. Take care and all the best.
All right, guys, there you have it. Simple test of this new robot. I think the AI companion feature of this robot is going to be outstanding for a lot of people. So if you're on the fence and you're still trying to decide which of these robots might be ideal for you, whether you're looking at Yanbo or Louis, or even our new buddy back there in the back, Elic, all of these are great options, but so far I think as a companion robot, because this one has the little rolling track wheels, your family member can drive this guy around. It can interact with your pets, your kids, your seniors. This one has a very special place, at least in my mind, for the everyday user. I think this is going to be a win. So definitely take a look at this robot if you guys are in the market for a robot for your family or friends. I think this is going to be a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.